The end of May on the eastern border of Finland, close to the Russian border. Arctic migration is at its most intense. The geese that tanked up in the fields of Estonia, along with hundreds of thousands of other birds, fly to the tundra for the summer to breed. The last migrating birds, such as the thrush nightingale, are arriving. They sing fiercely, day and night, in order to seduce a suitable female and to breed. Sometimes the intense nights are tiring, and it's difficult to keep the eyes open, even in the middle of the singing competition. Here there are even white-backed woodpeckers, which nest on the Russian side by the river in the primeval forests. On the Finnish sides, these deciduous forests have almost completely vanished.